Most people are working for money, but wealthy, they're not working for money. Their money works for them. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 powerful lessons from Trash Man to Cash Man, Myron Golden's success story book. The concepts from this book will shift your mindset and help you begin to start building that generational wealth that all of us need and want, even if you're starting from scratch. Number 1, invest in yourself. The rich invest in their self-education and personal growth, while the poor trade time for entertainment. And what he considers poor is anybody who is making $20,000 or less a month.
What?
This is coming from a man who's making billions of dollars. But I mean, we all have the opportunity to make the same amount of money, so he's trying to give us the major keys. I mean, you could be mad because he's calling you poor, or you could take his advice. I know I'm gonna take it. Find out what rich people do that. Find out what poor people do, or redefine what poor people are, who poor people are, and then don't do that. Okay? If it ain't working, try something else. Number 2, understand the cash flow of money. You got to learn how money works. So you need to dig a little deeper in earned income, portfolios, and passive income. Once you grasp how money works, you can make your money work for you. Myron Golden used to be poor. So he's not just giving out these tips for no reason. He actually has worked his way up. And so thus, he's giving out tips. Create systems that work for you in your sleep. So when I first read this book, I was like, a system, how can I create a system? A system is pretty much a job that you don't have to work at. So for example, like a laundromat, ATMs, vending machines, and that's how you live $1 million lifestyle without actually having $1 million. Let's be real. We just want the lifestyle. So to go along with number 3, you want to build or buy income producing assets. So that's anything that is going to make you money, not cost you money. So this is a little similar to creating a system, only the fact that like you can buy a house or a home, you could buy land, and that land will work for you. Number 5, this is my favorite one, compound interest, because everybody can do it. I promise you, this is stuff that we did not know. And if you did know, why you didn't get on YouTube and tell nobody? That's what I want to know. What you know about compound interest? Drop that down in the chat. What did you know before this and that you didn't tell me? And tell us, because we need to know. Okay, so money grows exponentially when you let it sit. So almost everybody in here got a job. Hopefully, maybe. And if you don't have a job and you're already a business owner, or you quit your job to be a business owner, you can open up a Roth IRA. Don't ask me what it stands for. I just know that you can do it. Those of us who have a job have a 401k. So these are basically bank accounts that we're investing in, and we are building money. Most of the time we use this money for our retirement, but you can take that money out for a fee if it's prior to the time that you're scheduled to take it out. Either way, you can invest early and let the compound do the heavy lifting, meaning grow your money. So what you can do is you can call your financial advisor, say, financial advisor,
Hey, I want to reinvest on the money that I'm already putting in my Roth IRA or my 401k. They're going to be like, oh, you want to do what? And you're going to be like, yeah, I want to reinvest my money.
Right? So reinvesting your money into the same account, that's compounding. When you reinvest your money, your original investment gains interest, and the secondary investment gains interest as well. So that's why it builds so fast. This is how rich people become rich. It's almost like you holding up a mirror into a mirror, and the reflections just keep multiplying. It was a mirror, first investment, second mirror, secondary investment, and now it just keeps on multiplying over and over and over again. And the more that you invest regularly, the larger your investment and reinvestments and interest will be. Hold up, wait a minute. Send it to your mammy. If they don't know about compound interest, send it to your pappy. Hold up, wait a minute. It's a 22. It's a 22. It's a 22. Hold up. See, I ain't know I could get down like that. My bad. Quick little break. Send this, share this with anybody who has not known about compound interest or are trying to level themselves up, keep talking about it, but don't know how to do it. Go ahead, press that share button. Press it, press it, press it, press it, press it. Number 6, live below your means. Save aggressively, especially if you are not making enough money to pay your bills with 50% of your income. To destroy your bad habits, every cent of money that you have in your bank account should have an assigned place. So we're going to use this rule to help each other. We're going to say 10% for tithing, for saving, for investing, for educating yourself, 20% for fun, and 50% for your bills. And if you can't do that, you either got to get more money, get a better job, or you got to take some of your expenses down. So throw away your TV. That's what Myron says. And stop spending money on entertainment. That's what Myron says. Back to the regular schedule program. Number 7, leverage your power of good debt. Did y'all know there was anything called good debt? I know that I didn't. So apparently good debt are assets. So good debt is like a house, a rental property, a business, anything that's going to make you money. That's good debt. Bad debt is buying clothes, cars, entertainment, how much entertainment you need for you to go in debt about it. Myron, he don't play about entertainment. Sick of it. Use money to borrow appreciating assets. So if you're going to use your money, invest it, and then the money that you have invested will make babies. That means you got to hold on to it because it take a long time or a while. And then you can use that money for buying the clothes, the cars, the shoes, the whatever else. That's how you do that. Okay. Number 8, master marketing. Every business is in the business of marketing. Like if you have a business selling hats, you're not really in the business of selling hats. You're in the business of marketing hats. Learn how to market your product. Myron gives a definition for marketing as marketing is the science of creating desire for your product or services. Hold up. Wait a minute. It's a 22. Pimp. It's a 22. 2 more to go, y'all. Thank you for staying with me. I really appreciate that. If you found anything in this video of value, which I know I would if I was y'all, because who knew about compound interest before this week when I read that book? Who? For y'all, for us. Who knew about that? Put a like on that. Put a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel. Now, number 9, I truly believe that this is one of the top keys to being wealthy. Surround yourself with people who are actually wealthy / well off, definitely have more money than you. Okay? Don't take advice from people who have the same amount of money as you or less. You want to grow, right? So that means that you need to know different knowledge to do different things. And if you're not around different people who know different knowledge and do different things, then guess what? You gonna be programmed to stay the way that you are. I mean, it literally just is what it is. That's with no sugarcoating on it. You need some new friends. Number 10, protect and multiply your wealth. Once you earn money, make sure you keep it long enough so that it can grow. Protect it and through smart planning, insurance, and diversification. Money that leaves too fast never has time to compound. That's as simple as it is. Now, bonus tip number 11. If you don't do this tip in particular, this video is pointless. You have to shift your mindset to actually believe that you can have what it is that you want, what lifestyle that you want. If you see yourself with a maid, if you see yourself with a chef, if you see yourself driving a Lambo, you're the only one who is saying you can't have it. 10 key tips to become wealthy, to have that generational wealth throughout your family. If you can shift your mindset to thinking that way, God bless you. Make sure you have patience, discipline, and stay focused on the long game. Do not succumb to skepticism, fear, or short-term thinking. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was of value to you. This is Inspire RVA Metro, and God bless.